Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Tesla Model Y radiator. First, gather your essential tools: a soft brush, a vacuum cleaner, and a can of compressed air. Always ensure your vehicle is completely powered off and has cooled down for at least 30 minutes before you begin. Park your Model Y on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. This preparation is key for an effective and safe cleaning. Now, let's tackle the visible debris. Begin by gently picking out any large items like leaves, twigs, or dead insects that are caught in the radiator fins. Next, take your soft bristled brush and carefully sweep away any remaining loose dirt or grime. Be gentle to avoid bending the delicate fins. Finally, use your vacuum cleaner with a narrow attachment to suction up all the dislodged particles, ensuring a clear path for airflow. For a deeper clean, grab your compressed air. Hold the nozzle at least 6 inches away from the radiator and use short, controlled bursts. Always direct the air from the inside of the engine bay outwards, pushing debris away from the vehicle. This method helps prevent pushing dirt further into the radiator. After applying the air, carefully inspect the entire surface for any stubborn blockages or any fins that might have become bent during the process. To finish up, perform a thorough visual inspection of the entire radiator. Ensure all fins are straight and free of any remaining debris. For future prevention, consider adding a fine mesh screen over the radiator intake to significantly reduce the amount of leaves and bugs that can enter. Performing this cleaning routine every 3 to 6 months will help maintain optimal cooling efficiency and prolong the life of your Tesla Model Y's cooling system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.